Cody Reeves here with Devitt Machinery. Today I'm going to show you how to mix up DWH 316. .316 is a putty or a semi-consistent product, and we're going to dive right in and remove all of the resin from Part A's container. .316 is a very usable product. It can be injected, it can be used as a semi, and it can also be used as a putty. .316 is very desirable in the precision world for plotting air bearings, seating in aluminum plates of different structures. We use it in intermixing it into our Mowgli's SLE plates. It's a very stable product, has great coefficient of thermal expansion. It's a very desirable for the precision community. So once you get all the resin out of Part A's container, you're gonna wanna move on to the hardener, which we're gonna remove all out of its container as well. But first, we're gonna get this kind of all pre-mixed. We're gonna use our clean mixing sheet to get a good, even consistency. We're gonna empty out all the hardener from Part B's container. Like the Mowgli's, DWH is also a specific weight ratio because we're gonna make sure we get all that hardener into the mix. This will help ensure that you don't run into any uncured or wet spots. Let's get all the hardener onto the resin. We're gonna fold it in and work the product in together. DWH 316 is mineral filled, which makes it a very desirable material in the precision community. It plays nice with the coefficient of thermal expansion. It has great moldability. In a clean room environment, it can mold to the micron level. It's very stable being it's mineral filled. It has different minerals encapsulate quartz, granite. A lot of people are building machines with epoxy granite bases and they're plotting linear rails into the bases. And where DWH 316 is also a nice added benefit, it will actually mold in. You can plot your linear rails into a granite base and use the DWH to build the gap to make a 100% precision fit. Think about the DWH being a precision shim when mounting the rail to the epoxy granite plate. You can use this to plot in bushings. You can use this to plot in dowel pins. Some machine builders will use this to actually plot in key location points. So if you're building within targets and you want to have a special mounting monument in a granite base or in any type of structure like cast iron, you can actually coat a point or a monument and embed it into the machine structure. As you can see, we have a nice flowable, and as the DWH will continue to cure, it'll start changing the viscosity more into a semi, then it will come into a putty. DWH product line is for static applications. DWH does not have any low coefficient of friction properties. So the sole purpose of the DWH is to plot in joints. If you want to connect a machine base, you want to embed bedways to a machine, you want to put in monuments, you want to cast anything in and have a replicated surface with a static idea, this is the product to use. And what you're going here in your mix, you're targeting that 5-minute mix. And when you have a good, solid consistency, working it back in a north and south, east and west direction, folding the product in with the shell, making sure you get that good consistency. Achieving a good, proper mix will ensure that you don't have any wet spots, any uncured spots. I'm gonna lump this all in together. Again, DWH 316 can be injected, can be used as a semi putty, and it could also be used as a putty as you let time build up when the material is together. Since this is an exothermic curing system, as the product stays together, it will generate heat and it will cure and it will set up. And you can see that slight viscosity change as you go. If you got any other additional questions, check out the link below. Check out for more videos to come.